Isaiah 43 verse 19, See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up, do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland. Jeremiah 33 verse 3, Call to me and I will answer you and tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know. Psalm 34 verse 17, The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them, He delivers them from all their troubles. Matthew 7 verse 7, Ask and it will be given to you, seek and you will find, knock and the door will be opened to you. Mark 11 verse 24, Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Luke 18 verse 27, Jesus replied, What is impossible with man is possible with God. 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9, But he said to me, My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore I will boast all the more gladly about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on me. Philippians 4 verse 13, I can do all this through him who gives me strength. Romans 8 verse 37, No, in all these things we are more than conquerors through him who loved us. Psalm 40 verse 1, I waited patiently for the Lord, He turned to me and heard my cry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.